Okay, we talked about finding volume using the disk method, and that is when the axis of revolution is touching the curve or the region. If the axis of revolution, shown here, not touching the curve, and I rotate it about the axis, what do you end up with? And here I'm rotating the region. And when I look at what I have left, there's this hole in the middle. That hole in the middle creates a washer. That washer, here it goes, it's going to change the way we find the volume of that region. We're not going to do pi r squared. We have to take into account that hole in the middle. Let me show you another one. Now this one, axis of revolution is vertical, right here, up and down. The region is over here. If you rotate it about the y-axis, you're going to get a hole in the middle. And we have to take that into account when we find the volume of the region. So as that rotates, you should be able to see that the hole, put it there, the higher you go, the bigger the hole in the middle becomes. What you end up with is what we call a washer. That washer is circular, so you can find the volume of that, but we need to take into account the outer radius and the inner radius. We need to take into account finding the radius from the top to the axis of revolution, I went too far, and from the lower to the axis of revolution. Two different radii.